So I'm going to be making some fabric refresher with doTERRA therapeutic-grade essential oils. This doesn't clean the hammocks, but it does make them smell amazing. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's also nice to do before or after class to refresh the hammocks in between your washes. So the first thing that you're going to need is a glass bottle. I use glass or aluminum, but a plastic bottle, the essential oils can potentially eat away at the plastic. So I have a glass one with a nice rubber to protect it. I also make my own hand sanitizer. A lot of our teachers like to spray their hands before they teach or before they assist. I can show that to you in another video. But for the fabric refresher, it's really easy. I'm going to mainly be using doTERRA On Guard, and that's going to be for most of it. And then I do add some Purify. It's a cleansing blend that helps remove odors. I actually use this also on the wool balls in the dryer when I'm drying the hammocks. It helps remove the odors. So all you have to do is add your On Guard. It is going to depend on how big your bottle is. Mine is about, I think this is a 12 ounce. So I'm going to add 10 drops of the On Guard, which is a protective blend with the antifungal and antibacterial properties. All right. And then I'm going to add 5 drops of the Purify. Ultimately, you could also use Melaleuca, which is tea tree, or you could use 2, 3. Oh, I think we're almost done. 4, 5. Or some people like to add lemon or lavender to it. I love the On Guard. I think that even if you just have On Guard, that's enough. You don't have to also add the Purify. The On Guard just makes it smell wonderful, and I love it because of the antifungal and antibacterial properties. So once you do that, you just fill it up with water and shake it, and it is ready to go and refresh your hammock. So time to spray. Make sure you shake it first because oil and water don't mix very well. So give it a shake and then spray it on. I also like to wave it around and wave it around to open it up so I can get inside, on the outside. Just a little bit goes a long way.